If it's dramatic lines and exotically stamped sheet metal you seek, in an E-Class sized body, the CLS is the only game in town. While rival coupe-like sedans and hatchbacks trim away excess detail, the CLS collects them all as it sweeps past its three-pointed star, framed as it is by a smartly textured grille and slim LED lighting. From there, the arching curve of the roofline defines the car, while competing lines carve away the visual weight at its sides. A compound intersection of crests and curves draws together at the rear wheels. It gives the CLS a classic rear-biased look, emphasized by the short trunk lid. Inside, the cabin wears graceful and colorful combinations of wood and leather. It's aesthetically on point, though the dash-mounted display looks like an afterthought. Newer Mercedes sedans do a better job of integrating and distinguishing the controls baked into the center stack, too. They don't do a better job of decoration. Benz offers less treated semi-aniline leather, and the CLS has enough wood to make a Rolls fandom blush. Whether it's linden, ash, poplar, or walnut, even piano black gloss, it's lush and inviting, and a clever way to mute the wash of buttons and switches on the dash. With the CLS 400 deleted from the lineup for the 2018 model year, the new base model in this lineup is now the CLS 550. The CLS 550 has a twin-turbo 4.6-liter V8 engine rated at 402 horsepower and 443 pounds-to-foot of torque, delivered through a 9-speed automatic new last year. It delivers impressive acceleration, whether it sends power to the rear wheels or to all four wheels. All CLS class models offer relaxed, comfortable cruising when desired, but also the ability to turn up the width and engage a curvy road with grace. The ride quality is unperturbed by most road conditions, thanks to adaptive shocks that smooth over the worst of the pavement. An AMG-tuned CLS 63 AMG cranks out up to 585 horsepower to the rear wheels via a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. It delivers nearly supercar-level acceleration. 0 to 60 miles per hour runs happen in 3.5 seconds. It also sports impressive handling for a large sedan, thanks to a wider track, sticky tires, and an AMG-tuned adaptive suspension. It's the driver's choice of the CLS family. Based on the prior generation E-Class sedan, the CLS offers a snug but welcoming place for front passengers. Soft leather buckets adjust 14 ways and offer lots of support, while even tall drivers and passengers will find enough room under the headliner and sunroof. On AMG models, the front seats have constantly adjusting bolsters that give extra support when the car corners. The front passengers get swept up in the lush wood and leather trim of the CLS. It's always been the more stylish cousin of the E-Class, and the sheer amount of wood and the many shades and varieties offered by Mercedes make the CLS seem more a Maybach. The extravagant roofline of the CLS impinges on backseat room. Rated a 4-seater, the CLS has a console that splits the back into two bucket seats that have plenty of bolstering. What's missing is good headroom. Tall passengers will slouch to find acceptable space and to avoid contact with the roof both when sliding into the CLS and when seated upright. A standard E-Class is a better choice for those who share their ride with other grown-ups. The CLS doesn't have an abundance of small item storage, just enough. At 11 cubic feet, the trunk is small. A Honda Civic has more storage space.